Good afternoon, y'all. I'm going to be making a few things to put into this Sunflowers and Labradors journal. This is the second journal that I've made using this kit. It is available in the Sunflowers and Dors Etsy shop. I cut this out of one of the pages and backed it with some cardstock and inked around it. And I'm going to take these pieces and cut out the little hole where the bull clip is. I think they're called bull clips. I can't remember the name of these clips. But it is printed. It is not metal. Here's the other one. I'm going to make a journaling card. I cut down one of the pages from the kit, and I have some craft paper scraps and some fussy cuts, some words from the kit, and some cardstock. And this is the same cardstock that I used to make the hidden paper clips. I do have a video where I show how I made those. And I'm using Eileen's tacky glue. I did go ahead and ink around the fussy cuts and the words with Vintage Photo Distress Oxide. That is the ink that I've been using throughout this journal. And I'm just going to take this word and do a little bit of layering. This green mottled cardstock on this side, I also used to make the paper clips in this journal. So I'm just going to glue this fussy cut on here. And I'm going to cut around this word, just make a little frame. And then I realized I really wanted to take that fussy cut and put that other piece of brown paper behind it, but it was too stuck down for me to make the change. So it is what it is, and I kept going. I did also ink around the edges of this journaling card before I started the video, and decided to slide that one into the front pocket. And then I'm going to make another journaling card with another piece of one of the pages that I had left over, and I backed this with coffee dyed paper and inked around it. And I have a piece of ephemera from the kit. I inked around that as well. Another word. And I'm going to use some more of this and get this all layered up. Okay, happy with this one. And this one I'm going to slide under this paper clip embellishment. And then I will go to the next one. This one was just a page that I cut down and backed with coffee dyed paper and inked around. This is another piece of ephemera. This was a large piece of ephemera, and I cut it down, backed it with some cardstock, inked all around it. And then I have this little fussy cut piece of ephemera from the kit that I am going to figure out what to do with here. And I kind of like it up here across the corner. So I think that's where I'm going to put this piece. So I have these little tiny pieces left from cutting those edges off, and I decided to put one on the opposite corner. And this is what it looks like. And slide this one into that fold out under the paper clip. This is a postcard from the kit that I backed with craft paper. And I'll work on this journal card next. Another one of the pages that I cut down. Another fussy cut, a word. This little hot air balloon, super cute. On this card, I just continued like I was on the other cards, and I got everything layered up. And then I decided it looked a little bit too plain about halfway through the process. So you'll see me change my mind and get out some green cardstock in a few minutes. This is where it happened. I put everything on there and I thought, ooh, it's kind of plain. So enter the green cardstock, and I decide to add more layering behind the hot air balloon. Still not sure, went ahead and inked around that and thought, okay, that'll do it. And no, I cut everything out around the word and re-layered it with the green cardstock. I like this better, so I decided to go with it. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. And this one I backed with coffee dyed paper. Here I decided to put another postcard from the kit in here, backed with the brown craft paper. And on this side, a tag from the kit. This is a journaling card that I made in a previous video. Just go ahead and slide it into place. And I need to work on making this journaling card. I already backed it and inked around it. And I cut out this little Labrador. And I just think he'll look stinking cute on there by himself. And then in the pocket on the back cover, I decided to make another one of the large journaling cards with the green paper, backed with a page from the kit. So I just did some more layering. Glued my fussy cut on. Finished layering up that phrase and got it glued on. And then this journaling card is going to get tucked into this back pocket of the journal. And these are my little journaling cards. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good afternoon.